Code reviews are essential, but they're slow. And nobody likes slow code reviews. Introducing CodeLens, an automated review system built with GitHub, Langflow, and Telegram. Behind the scenes, GitHub, Langflow, and Telegram connect to make code review feel conversational. The flow starts in Telegram. The developer sends a repo URL, chooses a pull request, and picks review mode, quick or detailed. That input is captured as JSON and shipped into Langflow. Simple front end, clean entry point. This Telegram bot ties everything together. Send a repo link, it calls GitHub's API, fetches open PRS, and shows them as buttons. Pick a PR, choose quick or detailed, and the bot wraps your choice into JSON and sends it to Langflow. The AI response is cleaned and delivered right back into Telegram, all in under 200 lines of Python. Fast, simple, and seamless. Behind the scenes, here's how CodeLens works. First, Langflow receives the raw JSON straight from Telegram. A type converter steps in, cleaning that messy input into structured data. The repository owner, repository name, pull request number, and review mode. Everything neat, reusable, and ready for analysis. From there, the AI agent takes over. The brain of CodeLens. It can connect to local models running in LM Studio or scale up to powerful cloud models like Gemini AI. The agent reads the pull request, processes the data, and begins generating insights. But good reviews need more than just raw code. That's where Composio tools come in. They fetch extra context directly from GitHub, metadata, files changed, diffs, and language statistics. No extra tabs, no wasted time. Once all the data is assembled, the review itself begins. Quick mode delivers a fast summary, 3 to 5 key bullets highlighting the most impactful changes. Detailed mode takes the deep dive, analyzing file by file, showing diffs, snippets, and concrete suggestions for improvement. Same AI brain, different zoom level. Finally, Langflow pulls everything together. Repository statistics, security alerts, and the AI-powered review. It merges them all into one structured report and delivers it instantly back to Telegram. The result? Clean, actionable feedback. Delivered right where developers already collaborate. Because it's modular, each node has a single job. Because it's reusable, swap in any model, anytime. Because it's secure, API keys are locked away safely in environment variables. And because it's clear, a clean flow, easy to follow, easy to extend. Code reviews don't have to be a chore. With the right tools, they can be faster, smarter, and actually enjoyable. That's the vision behind CodeLens. Great tools don't replace developers. They empower them. CodeLens is one small build. And that's CodeLens, automated pull request reviews, powered by GitHub data, driven by Langflow logic, delivered straight to Telegram. A small build that makes developers move faster. Try building CodeLens yourself. You'll find the repo link and setup guide in the description. Don't forget to star the Langflow repo, join the community, and subscribe for more Langflow builds.